Welcome to the Discord. We are so happy to have you here. I'm going to give you a quick crash course on how to use it. You're going to have to get used to the layout. Sometimes it'll change a little bit, but by and large, it'll be the same. Take a look at this. When you go and you see all the way on the left, you will see what we call chats. Now, every single chat is specific to exactly what's written right there. So at the very top, you'll see where it says live streams. Now we have drop-down menus. If I click it, it'll open up more things. So link to live streams, Keenan's trades, watch list, Keenan's tweets. If you don't want to see these things, click the live streams tab up here, and then some of them will go away. Drop down. Options classes, right? You can see that. And then we can see down here, we have our money challenges, another drop down menu. But let's start from the very top. So what you have here, when you come to the Discord, we got a little bit of a tradition where on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, I go live, and what we do is we either earn or we learn. So I show you trading and how it looks in real time. So you click on that, and what you'll see is this. It says, for example, right now, we have our May 31st live stream coming up at 9:15 Eastern time. 15 minutes before the market opens, and it's videos for educational purposes only, not financial advice, but make sure you take the classes so that you understand how to read the charts that we're doing in real time and learn to use a stop loss before entering into each trade. You can click on this, and then you'll be in the live stream. Now, watch out for people who may try to DM you, send you a direct message, and they may also try to add you as a friend on Discord, pretending to be me. I will not send you a direct message, and I will not add you as a friend, and I don't have any private messages or any private services for trading or anything like that, and I won't trade for you. I'm here to teach you how it's done and show you how it looks. So now, if you want to see what trades that I got in at the prices that I got in and the prices that I got out, this is Keenan's trades right here under the links to the live streams. So these chats you won't be able to write in. Only I can write in these. So I'll post, for example, if I got into a SPY call option, you'll see the price that I got it. You'll see how many of them I bought. So I bought 25 of them for the average fill price of 41 cents. And then right here, it says I got in it at 10.20 and I put a stop loss on it. You can see my stop order actually stopped me out because it ran up and then came back down for this particular trade. And then I sold it basically for a little bit more than I bought it, but I didn't take a loss, right? So we want to show you how to take profits appropriately so you can stop losing so many of your trades, even though sometimes you'll get a home run, be up 100%. Sometimes you'll lose, but what you want to do is make the losses small and make the wins big, baby. So how do we do that? We have to learn about levels, supports, resistances, and many different indicators. So check out Keenan's watch list. So now when you click on it, you'll see this. You'll see two different options. You'll see one towards the upside, the call, and one towards the downside, the put. Now, when you scroll up even higher, you'll get the details of this. So I didn't buy this yet, and this is what I always say, but this is what I'm looking at. So for example, a Tesla 110 call option towards the upside, if I see strength above 205, you're asking yourself, what do I mean by strength? So scroll down here, strength indicators, candles that close green, candle wicks, they're long on the bottom. The 13 is crossing the 48 EMA. So many of these I teach you how to understand them in the classes in the Discord, which we'll get to in a second. Now, on the downside, a Tesla 190 put. If I see weakness below 198, what is weakness? Oh, here go the weakness indicators right here. Red candles, right? They close. The candle wick is long on the top. The 13 is crossing below or crossing down on the 14 or the 48 EMA. The MACD is crossing down. The RSI is above 70, right? These are things that are weakness. So then you could use this and then, again, do your own research. I don't know your financial situation personally, so I can't give you financial advice, but I can show you exactly how I'm looking at tomorrow, right? And how I can play it. So now that you see that, you can see my tweets if you click right here. And this is just things that are on Twitter. Now let's check this out. Stock market wins. Oftentimes we have family members who they're killing it, and they'll show you what can happen. They'll show you what can happen. Just look at the stock market wins, right? Posted right here. So let's see this. Calls and puts. This is a very active chat where if you're looking to do calls or put options, then you can just jump in here and talk to other people and see what their ideas are, right? And then you can go and do further research on your own. Now, the technical class. This is important. You can jump into the technical class and scroll all the way up to the top. Start from the top. Every lesson has the lesson, the quiz, and then the review. So, for example, lesson 1, technical analysis fundamentals, you can learn as an absolute beginner. And then you take that lesson. And then as a certified teacher, I want to make sure that you are picking up what I'm putting down and not just hearing it, right? I want you to just be able to self-assess. So you go and you take the quiz right here, which is on a Google Doc or a Google form, actually. And you can take the quiz to see if you actually picked up and absorbed the information that you heard and that you watched. And then after you take the quiz, you can go and take the review to deepen that knowledge to make sure that you lock it in and you understand it totally. And then you can move on to the next lesson. For example, lesson 2, technical analysis. So once you have done that, you can do these at your own pace. That's the technical class to learn the charts. We also have the options class. Scroll up to the very top and you can do the sequence. Again, the lesson, and then the quiz, and then the review. So you can deepen that knowledge and take all of the classes in sequence. Go to the next class, go to the next class, and all the way and so on and so forth. And then when you have any questions about the quiz or any lessons, you can go to a section called class questions, and then you can ask those questions. And you can also type in here, if you don't know how to do a stop loss, how to stop loss. Again, type in how to stop loss. And what will happen is we have a bot, a automatic response system that will show you how to do a stop loss on many different platforms. So then we have our crown members, and these are members who have shown me that they know what they're talking about. So then we've crowned them to just distinguish them from members who may be newer and may be learning. So with that being said, we have our challenges, our money challenges. Please, I'm telling you this right now. You got to hear me. The money challenges, I've made a tremendous amount of money doing the money challenges. So you scroll to the top and we have multiple challenges. So the instructions are here. So money challenges and then challenge instructions. You click on the instructions, you can go through. And again, shout out to Master P for launching the passive income challenge for us. You can watch that video right here. And what we have is this. It starts here. The passive income challenge is finally here. And I said, let's go. I want you to build a new portfolio that generates cash flow and can last a lifetime. How to start? Fill out this Google form, basically right here. And you can start the passive income challenge. You can do multiple at a time. And then we have a chat dedicated specifically towards the passive income challenge. This is our dividend challenge, right? And we trade again on the live streams, but we do these challenges in the background all the time. So we're always building our wealth, whether we trade that day or not. So then we got our budgeting section right here, where you can learn how to budget. And we also have our 26-week challenge. And we have our $10 challenge. What I want you to do is this. Make sure that, again, in my opinion, I think you should join the challenges, because in doing these challenges, and I've been doing it on the public investing app, and in the last year, just doing the challenges, I have $12,000 plus that I've put onto these platforms and basically have an account that I wouldn't have had. And I built it up over time in the background, just slowly growing it just from habits. Like, for example, the 26-week challenge, where we are just putting cash on there, just putting cash. We did this one twice, right? And then we was also doing the $10 challenge where we DCA into a banger of a company, right? Now, we got our testimonials where you can see where other people are showing a lot of the progress that they made after being a Discord member and so on. Suggestions for the server. But let's go here. If you ever forget how to use the Discord, you could just look for this, how to use Discord, and you'll even find this video at the very mark when you open it up so you can see it. So how to use the Discord. Now, we also have AMC stocks or crypto and Reddit stocks, for example, in this section, shiba news there too. But one thing that we have is our bot alerts, right? So the Discord, we pay a lot of money for these bot alerts to be automated, but you as a Discord member, you get to benefit from them because you already a member, family, so you get to benefit from any benefits that we have. So now we got our bullseye bot down here. And what you'll go and see is if the bot is pushing out suggestions, you can see the confidence of the bot. So, for example, you'll see this right here. It'll say it's looking at Mara. That's the symbol right here. Ticker symbol Mara. The strike is $9 right here. This is the date. And it is 74% confident that this trade will have success. It doesn't mean that it will. It's not a guarantee, but it's saying that it's confident that it will. And you can go and check if you need any trade ideas before you can go and do your own research to say, are you ready to take on a trade that was suggested to you by the Bullseye bot? For example, we have Lee Auto. 33 strike and it's telling you 81% or 80% confidence, right? You want to look for those. And we only use the ones that are 65% confident and up. The other ones we just disregard. You have your technical analysis bot that can do technical analysis for you, telling you resistance levels, support levels, 52-week highs, moving averages, and so on. We have our scalping ideas. We have our MACD indicators and our 1348 indicators. So we have bots that will automatically send you signals. So, for example, Starbucks, the 13 EMA crossed down on the 1 day time frame. We can see that. Or on the 5-minute time frame, we have IWM or even Disney, the 1348 crossed down. These signals can be automatically sent your way. So we have that with the MACD and everything else, family. So that's how you use the Discord. If you want to talk to me, you have to put the @ symbol, Keenan Grace, and then you can write to me. And then when I see it, I can get back to you. I love y'all, and I see you in the Discord. Welcome aboard, family. You a part of the family now, and take care.